How to create Gmail account without phone number verification. First, open the settings on your device. Scroll down. Find the option for passwords and accounts. Tap on it. Scroll down. Tap on the option Add Account. Now you can add the account over here. Select the option for Google. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface of Google. Tap on the option Create Account. You can tap on the option for My Personal Use. If you select the option for work or business, you might have to enter the phone number. So create the personal account. Enter your first name over here. Enter the last name. Tap on the option Next. Select your birthday. First, select the month by tapping on the option of month. Now select your day. Also enter the year. Select the gender. Tap on the option Gender. Tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the option Next. Create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. You can use letters, numbers and periods. Tap on the option Next. Create a strong password for yourself. Tap on the option Next. Review your account info. Tap on the option Next. Read the privacy and terms. Tap on the option I agree. Now once you do that, you can see over here your Google or Gmail account has been created. You did not have to enter the phone number and verify it. Like this, you can create Google account without phone number verification. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.